उसको कुछ बताइए।
Hi everyone, I am Megha Shishodia from Delhi, and by profession, I am a fashion designer and work with a lot of small entities and NGOs and counseling consultants as well. And as where my passion is concerned, I'm a traveler. I love to travel to new places, explore new cultures, and I'm a bike rider. So that's where my passion comes from. So that's all about me.
ओके, ग्रेट मेघा। मेघा, आप हमें बताएंगे कि आपके पास कौन सी बाइक है, अभी कौन सी बाइक यूज़ कर रहे हैं आप?
Right now, I'm using Royal Enfield's Thunderbird 350X.
ओके, सो आई थिंक थंडरबर्ड 350X डिसकंटिन्यू कर दिया है रॉयल एनफील्ड ने, तो आप बताएंगे द रीज़न बिहाइंड इट?
See, reasons, we have heard a lot of reasons, but I think as the direct replacement was Meteor, so they've discontinued Thunderbird 350 and 500X in 2019,
ओके।
and we got Meteor.
ओके, मेघा, आप बताएंगे कि ये लॉन्ग राइड के लिए कैसी बाइक है जैसा आप यूज़ कर रहे हैं 350X?
According to me, I think it's very comfortable for long rides. I have myself done two long rides. I've done Delhi to Maharashtra, which was a cause ride, and I have done Delhi to Kanyakumari, which was my longest ride till now. It's a very comfortable bike. It's very good to handle. If I talk about the design aesthetics and technicalities, also the kind of this design of the seat is in a way that the posture is a laid back posture, which gives a lot of comfort to the biker on long run. And the handlebars are raised, because of which on a long run there's no much problem for a rider when they have those pains in the arms and the shoulder.
ओके।
So these are few things that make it very comfortable on long rides. Also, this there are a few more technicalities, right? It's very stable because of the weight. It has a turning radius. It's very small turning radius, so the cornering of the bikes on high speed is easy. So few things like these which makes it very easy, very compatible for long rides.
ओके, तो मेघा, आप थोड़ा ये भी बताइए, आप बाइकिंग गियर्स कौन से ब्रांड के यूज़ कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा बताएंगे हमें?
Biking gears, I am using a lot of brands.
ओके।
So my biking jacket, I have a jacket of brand Clover,
लो।
and I have a another jacket from BBG,
ओके।
Biking Brotherhood.
ओके।
And when it comes to guards, I have Royal Enfield guards, the elbow guards and the knee guards. I have biking shoes. I have Mototech shoes,
ओके।
and what's left, the helmets, the main part helmet. So I am using helmets by Royal Enfield, by SMK, by Studs. So I have these helmets.
ओके, सो कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी दैट कि क्लोवर जैकेट जो है इट्स प्रोवाइड अ कम्प्लीटली अ कंफर्ट?
Yes, when it comes to Clover jackets, it is the jacket I have. That's an interceptor jacket.
ओके।
I think it's discontinued now. They have better versions. It's a level 2 jacket, all three weather, very comfortable, very durable. It is a very nice fabric polymesh. So when it comes to comfortable durability, it's spot on that. Also, the functional part of the jacket. I mean, functionality is something we look for in our riding gears. So it's very functional. It has those vents. It has liners, thermal liners, rain liners, everything. So it's just few guards are not there. Otherwise, it's a very good riding jacket for me till now.
Okay, till now. Okay, so what's the difference between both of brands? Like you are using a BBG and Clover jacket.
So, Clover and BBG, there's a lot of difference. BBG is an Indian brand, Clover is Italian. Also, when it comes to affordable price, then BBG gives you a lot of variety, a lot of good jackets. Why? Because the price difference is such between both the brands. Also, when we talk about BBG, it starts from 5,000, and in the early range, I mean, in the starting range, they give you all the gears. So it's a completely clad jacket you get. So I think when we talk about affordability and a good design, I think BBG is a better option for the bikers to start with.
To start with, great. तो विच ब्रांड्स ऑफ जैकेट यू सजेस्ट इफ एनी वन वांट टू बाय, लाइक आपने यूज़ किया है, क्लोवर हो गया है, और आपने बताया बीबीजी एंड रॉयल एनफील्ड आल्सो मेकिंग अ जैकेट्स ना?
Yeah, yeah. Royal Enfield, I had a very basic jacket, so that's why I did not take the name. But yeah, when it comes to a differentiation between all these brands, if you've seen the new collection of the Royal Enfield jacket, which has come with the Knox gears and everything, that's a very, very nice range they have. Earlier, yes, the variant problem was there with Royal Enfield, but now I think they have a very nice variety. So, if we talk about affordability, if we talk about good product in reasonable and affordable prices, I think BBG and Royal Enfield are a good option. Because Royal Enfield has also come with the level 1, level 2 good jackets now with Knox. If you know, their good jackets are the Khardungla jacket and the Nirvik jacket of Royal Enfields, which are priced from 12 to 15 and have all the protection done very nicely. So in affordability, I think I'll suggest BBG, then Royal Enfield, and then Clover. You know,
Okay.
price according to the price and according to the gears and functionality and everything.
ओके, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू यू अभी कौन से ब्रांड्स के ग्लव्स जो हैं मार्केट में बेस्ट हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, जैसे आप यूज़ कर रहे हैं normally?
Gloves, so gloves should be, I think for me, the gloves should come with a lot of protection and a good fabric, because you know we use them in all these weather and everything, and you know we can't just change them again and again. So my personal choice goes to Rhinox. I have used a lot of brands, but my personal favorites are Rhinox. They come with very good knuckle guards. The fabric is good. Their functionality is good. You know, they have those pads for the palms and everything. I think Rhinox is a good option for people to get the gloves for. For the long run, for the city rides, they have a lot of variants to choose from. So I think, yeah, Rhinox is a good brand for that. As now I have told you about the jacket and the gloves, helmet also, there are a lot of brands available as per the prices. Like we were discussing about SMK and Exor and Royal Enfield. Exor, I will really not suggest people because of the durability issues. You know, it's an Indian brand which is, you know, manufactured by Vega.
Okay.
Royal Enfield helmets, yes, I really prefer if they're a full face. I always ask people to get a full face helmet because that's really required. So Royal Enfield full face helmets, the Royal Enfield comes with ISI and DOT certification. So the helmets are good. My personal favorites are SMK. SMK helmets I really prefer. I have one. I am using Twister helmet by SMK. So SMK helmets are nice when if anybody has a good budget and they need a better helmet, they can go in for MT and a range above from this. So yeah, the SMK or Royal Enfield will be good.
Okay. Is any new feature you noticed that कि हेलमेट में कोई न्यू फीचर आ रहा है अभी जस्ट?
New features in helmets comprises of either the materials they are used, you know, or with the paddings, or the kind of, you know, we have these internal equipments. There now we are getting loaded equipped helmets. We are getting with very good materials, you know, which are more shock proof, better, wherein they do a less damage when, but that is again depends on how high price range you're looking for.
Okay.
So it's gradually increases. You, the more features you need, the more range you have to go in for.
Okay.
So it's that way.
Can you please tell me about your rides that कि आपने कौन सी longest ride की है अब तक?
My longest ride till today has been Delhi to Kanyakumari. Last year October I did. So we covered 8 states in 9 days.
Okay.
And yeah, that was my longest till now, Delhi to Kanyakumari.
Okay, complete. Okay.
So that's one of them. Yeah. After that, this year February, I did a cause ride by Reach Each Child. That's RB Plan India ride we did. It was a sponsored ride which we did from Delhi to Maharashtra.
Okay.
So that was another long ride I've recently done. So these are few of them.
Okay. मेगा तो ये भी बताइए, कोई अभी आपके प्लानिंग है फ्यूचर, कोई फ्यूचर बाइक आपने प्लान की है कि फ्यूचर जल्दी लेंगे, कोई माइंड में है?
Future, we always plan for a better bike every time. Right, as I am now more into off-roading, I am eyeing on Himalayan by Royal Enfield, and also for the city and small tours, I am looking for G310 by BMW.
Okay.
So these are two which are on the cards as of now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if any message you want to give a biking community, so please share with us.
Biking community, okay. So, not really a message, but as I always suggest, I meet a lot of people who are very new to this. I am right now learning from a lot of senior riders. The only thing I want to say as a rider, that please invest in good your guards, your protection gears. It is very necessary to always, when you're out, when you're on rides, when you are on anything, please wear proper gears and invest in that. Just do not buy anything which is available. Study about them, have a good budget, have a reasonable budget, but please know what to buy and where to buy from. So this is what I would like to say, that be aware of the importance of the gears they wear and the helmet, and choose them wisely.
Okay. Okay, Megha, thank you very much for your information. Okay, and thank you for joining us. Okay, Megha. So
Anytime, pleasure talking to you.
okay, this time we want to give you only one message, that stay safe and stay at home. Okay.
Sure, sure. Same to you. Even I think everybody should stay safe right now. That's very much important.
Yes, Megha, thank you very much again. Okay, so
Thank
we'll
you.
meet soon. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Take care.